Hello, I'm removing a rusted out box on my 2002 Ford F-150. It has a spray-on or roll-in bed liner. The bolts are rusted. There's no way of getting those things to come loose. So I'm just grinding them off with a big grinder. But first I have to get through this bed liner material to see how thick it is. So I'm using a multi-tool cutter. This one's a Craftsman corded, and it cuts through that really good, especially where the bed is gone behind it. It just pops right through. I got one more to do over here. Here's one I did. Here's the first one. Here's one over here. There's one there. But yeah, I just had to get through the frickin' bed liner first. And then I'll use this big Makita model 9000 BL. Is it 15 amps, I think? That thing sure beats using a little 4-inch grinder. It just blasts right through these bolts. But thanks for watching.